Okay, so I'm going to show you how I use this kit in order to moisturize my hair. First, I shampoo and condition. Then I go in with the detangle brush to just kind of brush it out, detangle it, put on a plastic shower cap. The conditioning cap goes in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then you let it sit for 30 minutes, okay? After that's done, you rinse it out. Then I go in with the spray and go conditioning mist just to add some extra hydration. Back to my hair, kind of detangle it a little bit. And then I add the moisture cream. So this is what keeps my hair moisturized and smooth and shiny and overall healthy. So I add that. Again, use the detangling brush to kind of brush it out. And the way I use the balm is I actually use it to grease my scalp. Real old school. So I go in and grease my scalp, just part it into sections, nothing special. And then at the end, I go in and add some to my edges a little bit. Just kind of comb it through, work it through, and there you go. So then I use some gel, and the gel is not necessary unless you are doing some kind of protective style or you need your curls to be defined. For the particular style I'm doing, I do need to use gel, but it is not necessary for you to do so. And this is just how I do, just finger twist it. I mean, it's nothing special, nothing hard about it. Tons of videos on YouTube on how to finger twist your hair. So if you're interested in learning more or seeing this slower, I would definitely recommend you check it out on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just going through and finger twisting. I'm starting on the other side. This whole process does take about an hour. So just kind of showing you. I am doing these pretty small also. I never really do them this small. So it did take longer. And then I had to end up finishing in the car because I forgot I had an appointment. So I finished it in the car. But then when I got back home, I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes just to make sure everything was dry. And now I'm going back in and finishing the style, just kind of defining my part, doing something to my edges, child. I don't know what I'm doing with these edges, but I just put a little more growth balm on them, a little gel, and just kind of make sure that my scalp is hydrated and nourished. So I'm just retwisting some of the ones that didn't quite stay as defined as I wanted. And that's it. Put my little Amazon glasses on. And yeah. So the hair serum is the last step. I just add that to add a little bit of extra shine and nourishment. You want to make sure to focus that on the ends. And this is what I use daily to refresh my style, refresh my curls, is the spray and go conditioning mist. We use that at the beginning. We use it every day as well.